There we go, exception group, which is a new feature in Python 3.12 that allows us to handle multiple exceptions at once. It's a way to group multiple exceptions together and treat them as a single exception, making error handling more robust and flexible. Now, it contains a list of exceptions, and you can add exception also into that. Exception groups are useful when you need to handle multiple related exceptions in a single block of code, or when you want to propagate multiple exceptions up the call stack. Now here, let me show you a practical example in which you will be understanding much more. Imagine you are building a web application that interact with multiple external services such as APIs, file systems, or something like database. You want to handle errors that might occur when connecting to these services, but you also want to propagate the specific error of the call stack so that the caller can handle them appropriately. Now, let me show you an example. Now here we have written a code. Here you can see this is a practical situation. We have written a code in this example. The try block contains code that might raise exception. The exception can be a database error or an API error or file system error. And the except block here is the except block. This block catches an exception group instance which contains a list of exceptions that were raised. Now, first thing is we have written the exception group as EG. This exception group contains a list of exceptions that were chances to be raised in this program. Next, we iterate over the exception in the group and handle each one individually based on their types. These allow us to handle specific error in a targeted way while still propagating the exceptions of the course. You will have understanding that how exception group can help you write more robust and flexible error handling code that can handle multiple related exceptions in a single block of code. I hope this video will help you and you will have understanding this such a program, such a situation. If you are building a web application or something like an app, or that you're facing such a situation that there is a chance to come multiple errors at once, so you can use the exception group to handle that multiple errors in a single block. I hope you will have understand and you will enjoy this video. If you like the video, press the like button, also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.